If you're still trying to make dropshipping work, thinking it's your ticket to financial freedom, you're wasting your time on a business model that's completely saturated and frankly, dead. I'm gonna show you why the smartest entrepreneurs are abandoning dropshipping for something that actually works and how you can make the switch before it's too late. We're talking about students going from $0 to $30,000 months, teenagers making doctor money, and a business model with 80 to 90% profit margins. But here's what most people don't realize. There's one crucial mistake that's keeping 90% of entrepreneurs broke while others are building million-dollar businesses. Stick around because what I'm about to show you is gonna change everything. The first major problem with dropshipping is that the math simply doesn't work anymore. Look, I need to give you some free game here. Just 3 years ago, I had $4 in my bank account and was asking my mom for money to take my girlfriend to Chipotle. I tried dropshipping like everyone else, spent money testing products, burning through ad spend, dealing with suppliers who couldn't deliver on time. There is a brutal truth about dropshipping right now. You need to sell over 200 units to make $10,000 a month with dropshipping. Ad costs have skyrocketed. Facebook CPMs are 3x what they were just a few years ago with dropshipping. Dropshipping profit margins are razor thin. You're lucky to keep 10 to 15%. You're competing with millions of other dropshippers selling the same products. The second reason smart entrepreneurs are making the switch are times are changing. And you need to stop chasing outdated business models like dropshipping. We're entering what I call the AI revolution, and there are teenagers taking advantage of it to get paid as much as doctors every month. Like Gabe Malagrito, who went from $0 to $80,000 a month profit in a couple months with no prior experience. Or Paul Wilkinson, who landed a $13,148 profit client and is now making over $30,000 a month. Or Yassine Collin, who hit $35,000 in a single month while still in high school. Here's what they're doing differently. Instead of selling physical products with tiny margins through dropshipping, they're selling something called AI messaging services to businesses for $1,500 to $10,000 per month recurring. AI messaging is where you use artificial intelligence to handle all of a business customer's outreach automatically. These businesses desperately need help reaching out to potential customers, but they don't know what to say, when to say it, or how to follow up. That's where AI messaging comes in. The AI handles all the heavy lifting while you collect the cash. Point number 3, and this is crucial. You need to understand the exact system before this opportunity disappears. If you want to learn the exact 4-step system these students are using to build their AI messaging businesses, make sure you click the link in my description because I have a free 15-minute training that breaks down everything. This training will walk you through the complete 4-step AI messaging blueprint, show you live demos of the AI closing deals, give you the exact scripts that are converting at over 40% rate, and show you how AI messaging finds your clients, closes your deals, and manages your services while you collect over 2,500 monthly payments, even if you never made $1 online before. Again, just make sure you click the link in my description. By the way, if dropshipping has frustrated you like it did with me, hit the like button so I know to make more videos exposing these outdated business models. Now with that out of the way, let me show you the fundamental difference between these business models. Point number 4, let me break down the ideal beginner-friendly business model using the 6 metrics that actually matter. Unit profit. AI messaging requires just 4 to 6 sales to hit 10K a month versus dropshipping's 200 plus units. Startup capital. AI messaging needs virtually $0 versus dropshipping's thousands in inventory and ad spend. Profit margins. AI messaging delivers 80 to 90% versus dropshipping's 10 to 15%. Demand. Every business needs AI messaging for customer outreach versus saturated dropshipping product markets. Fulfillment. AI messaging uses done-for-you service providers versus dropshipping's suppliers and shipping nightmares. Deal type. AI messaging creates recurring monthly payments versus dropshipping's one-time purchases. This isn't theory. This AI messaging system is proven to make students over $100,000 in their first year. The 5th thing you need to understand is timing. Here's the thing. AI messaging is where dropshipping was back in 2016, completely unsaturated with massive demand. But this AI messaging window won't last forever. The opportunity cost is massive. Every month you don't start AI messaging costs you 10K. If you don't make 10K this month, you cost yourself 10K. Next month, that's 20K. In a year, that's $120,000 gone forever. The next thing you need to understand is the exact AI messaging system that's working right now. The 4-step AI messaging system that's changing everything. Step 1, setup. Choose your AI messaging name. Buy a domain, $20 total startup cost. Step 2, pick your niche. Target businesses making over $10,000 monthly who need AI messaging for customer outreach. Step 3, outsource to experts. Service providers handle all the AI messaging technical work for $500 a month while you charge $2,500. Step 4, let AI find your clients. Your AI messaging handles prospecting, objections, and booking calls 24/7. I have screenshots of students landing their first AI messaging clients in their first 24 hours using this exact system. Now at this point of the video, you might be wondering exactly how the AI messaging system works in practice and what it looks like when the AI is actually talking to potential clients. That's why your next step is to watch my free training where I'll show you live demos of the AI messaging system in action and give you access to our vetted service provider network. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in that training.